I'm Kevin Richardson. I've worked with lions almost my entire adult life. I call them, feed them, hug them, and sleep with them. But most of all, I take care of them.
Whoa! Whoa! Good! Yeah, boy! Good boy! Whoa!
With the Van Giel suit and the lion as the Netherlands' national symbol, the Dutch national football team is always in style, dressed like heroes. Of all the big cats, lions mean the most to me. It's a relationship you have to build over time. I know the Dutch have a strong relationship with the lion too. It's Holland's national symbol. There's even a Dutch football song called Laat de leeuw niet in zijn hempie staan, which means don't leave the lion hanging out to dry. Don't let him down. And that's what it's all about. A lion needs to look like a hero and be treated like a hero. Not only on the football pitch, but here in the wild too. The wild lions need our help, and my wildlife sanctuary is here for them. Today, lions live on less than 20% of their former range in Africa due to habitat destruction, human-predator conflict, poaching, hunting, and illegal trade. In football terms, we need to send those responsible off, once and for all. This is a goal we have to make.
Now it's time to play some football, you pussy.